Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use Elytra in Minecraft, how you can find it, and what is the best options and enchantment for your Elytra. So make sure that you have Minecraft latest version which got the Elytra inside of it or the new world, and then after you do so, click on single player, join your world, and let's get into this tutorial. So let's start with how can we get an Elytra. Basically, after we kill the Ender Dragon, you will be able to see a portal which you can travel to it or through it by using another pearl, and after doing so you will go to another world of Ender, and what you will find there is so many like ender trees, and sometimes you will be comforting some flying ships. So these ships we will find inside of a chest which will get the elytra. So there is no way in Minecraft that you can get an elytra with beside these chests that's located in the ender world. So let's say that you find it and you don't really know how to use it. Basically, the first thing before you go finding an elytra, what you must do is making a lot of fireworks. So let's get some fireworks, firework like that, and just like so. And let's wear the elytra, and let's go to game mode 0. So make game mode and survival. So what the elytra can do alone is nothing. You can't really fly using the elytra unless you you fell down from a high place like so. For example, let's go up, sorry, like that, just like so. We can fly a little bit, but can't really fly without using a firework, because the firework that really helps you flying in Minecraft. For example, as you can see, you can control it like by your mouse and keyboard. If you look down, you will fall down faster, and if you really go up, if you look up, you will go up faster as well. And of course you will get falling damage if you fall, something like that. Wait, let me show you. Something like that will give you wait, yeah, as you can see, I've had damage, I've damaged myself. Let's do it again just to show you. Something like that. Yep, I died. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use an elytra in Minecraft. You need an elytra first and fireworks, and fireworks are pretty easy to create. You only need gunpowder, which you can make a creeper farm, and it will give you a lot of gunpowder, and you will need some papers, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next video.